RAMP is basically a mentoring program for farmers. And what it does, it has a very unusual design. It's not like normal mentoring programs, in that we'll bring a cluster of farmers together in their geographical location, so in their bioregion, so that they can actually share ideas and share knowledge. But on top of that, we place a very highly experienced, trained consultant in the space of regenerative agriculture.
The main reason I applied for the Regenerative Ag Mentorship Program, or RAMP, was to get that introduction to some mentors in the regen ag space, and also to meet like-minded farmers.
I really enjoyed the RAMP program. We had our mentor and he was very generous with his knowledge, and having a group of people that you could talk to which kept you on track.
RAMP actually started because the demand from farmers wanting to really upskill themselves into all of these new possibilities in how can regenerative agriculture help them to equip themselves for what's ahead, which is now we're dealing with a changing climate, and helping to be more resilient to be able to capitalise on the opportunities but also be sustainable into the future and for future generations of farmers.
We just saw the paddocks deteriorating and we didn't really know why. So when we discovered the RAMP course and I started doing some more reading, I was like, oh yeah, we can make a positive benefit here. But I needed the knowledge.
What attracted me to the RAMP program, I think, was it will be a holistic approach to farming, including my pet love, which is forestry.
So the wonderful thing about RAMP is that they can actually do it online. So they have a series of webinars, they have online discussions, but they also have the opportunity to visit each other's farms and discuss individual challenges in that farming context.
So my experience with the RAMP program has been fantastic. It's put me in touch with some extremely knowledgeable mentors. It's been good to meet like-minded farmers in the local area that are also looking to do similar sort of practices.
We've certainly developed a really lovely community with the group that I've been with, and that's been invaluable in being able to just bounce ideas off them.
Collaborating with this group was easy. My mentor, I've never met a better teacher.
One of the main benefits of the RAMP program is that peer-to-peer support that they get by working on these challenges together. The whole RAMP program is based around practice change. So these farms are actually adopting step-by-step practice change in the way that they farm.
I think for anyone who wants to get into the regenerative agriculture area, the really important thing is to do your research, do it, don't jump in boots and all, go slowly, have it as a safe to fail, as we say, and surround yourself with people with knowledge and the same sort of mindset.
It's crucially important to agriculture in Australia. We're seeing extreme weather events, climate change is really starting to bite in. We are going to have to farm differently. And by having these skills and this knowledge and the support network of other farmers around them who have travelled the same journey is absolutely crucial.